Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about we need to find first the derivative of this one. So now I will show you how to answer. First, we put about ln. This is about natural law for the both sides. Next, we have the formula in here. That is about ln of a to the power of b equals to b ln a. So we can apply the formula in here. So we have s to the power of 3 minus s ln of 2s. Next, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. First, the derivative of ln y. You got about first the derivative of y over y. This one, we need to do first the derivative of this one. Multiply by ln of 2s. Later that, we need to do first the derivative of this one. Multiply by this one. This is about the product rule of the derivative. First, the derivative of s to the power of 3, we have 3s squared. First, the derivative of s, you got about number 1. First, the derivative of this one, we have number 2 over 2s. Because first, the derivative of 2s, we keep about 2s in here. Later that, we continue do first the derivative of 2s. You got about number 2. Now, we need to simplify number 2 and number 2. And we have 1 over s. So, this one divide by s. And you got about s squared minus 1. Later that, we put y go to the right. About y, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.